It is Sunday, June 30th. It is hot, and we're at Fenway Park. And there's no one here. Probably because it's hot. They're playing the Padres, and they got blown up last Yeah, dance. Listen, one of my biggest pet peeves is when you go to stadiums like Fenway Park or the Garden, or even Gillette, that matter. There's an in and there's an out for the men's room, okay? You go in the in, you go out the out. Now, you don't start going into the in, you don't start going into the out. What am I trying to say here? Don't go in the out, go in the in. Don't cut everyone in line. There was a line 30 people deep going into the bathroom, and here you are going out the out and trying to bamboozle everything. We don't appreciate that. Don't do that. You're gonna look like an asshole. Put it right there. Go in the in, go out the out. Wait your time in line, okay? So we're living in a society here, okay? Just follow the rules. Make it as easy as that, okay? Charlotte, fist bump. Fist bump. Henry, high five. They won. Woo.